Right, I figured it's probably about time I show you the rig I'm using, and that is the Multi-Hinge. I've been fishing it for the last probably 2 years or so, and I tend to fish sort of 6 to 7 inches. The bottom allows. On here I've been fishing them a little bit longer. This is probably about 9 inches. Yeah, it's a rig that's done me well. I love the fact that you can change the hook really easily, especially when you're getting a large number of bites. Like it's imperative to get the rig back out as quick as possible, I think. And also, yeah, it's, I suppose, sustainable as well. You know, you're not both for the planet and your pocket. Having to retie rigs all the time is a bit of a pain in the arse. Yeah, in the summer, I do like to fish D-rigged on clean ground. You do go through quite a lot of material and time. So, yeah, I tie up a few of these. Some slightly longer, some slightly shorter. But yeah, little mouse drop in a putty midway through, just kicks out the semi-stiff material nice, and then yeah, a little white pop up on the end has been doing the bizzo. Yeah, there's not much to it really. And I'll show you how to tie it. Effectively, it's just a strip back section of semi-stiff coated braid. Use whichever brand or stiffness that you like. And yeah, just a doubled over piece of chod filament. I like the pop-up section to be probably about 1.5 inches, depending. I do tie up some slightly longer ones. At this point, you want to take your coated braid through the bend you just made, and then whip up 8 times in total, and then carefully whip back down 4 times, pinch everything tight, pull through, and gently bed down. Bit of saliva, pull tight, figure of 8 loop knot. You'll know how to tie one of those. Pull tight with a couple of puller tools. Take a little bit of putty. Sort of barrel roll and use your thumbnail to sort of flatten off the bottom. In this case we're using size 6 101s. Pull the bait floss through, pull your looped over section through the hook, slide on your ring swivel, over the hook point. This is where I like to take a puller tool and just angle the line over my thumb, just get that shape in there, sort out the putty, and then twizzle the exposed coated braid to get that hinge point. And yeah, the hook holds on this rig are just they are insane. They are so good. Kind of feel like once that's in, it's not going anywhere. If it's on for more than 10-20 seconds, your strong likelihood is that fish is coming in. It's a great rig. It just kicks out lovely. It's really aggressive, and yeah, big fan personally of the multi-rig. So yeah, combination of a couple of my favourite rigs, and yeah, one I'd probably use for 90% of my angling. So yeah, that's the rig.